Welcome. In this video we will see BeEF. BeEF stands for Browser Exploitation Framework. It is a penetration testing tool that focuses on the web browser. The BeEF allows the professional penetration tester to assess the actual security posture of a target environment using client-side attack vectors. The BeEF is a powerful professional security tool. BeEF is a pioneering technique that provides the experienced penetration tester with practical client-side attack vectors. Unlike other security frameworks, BeEF focuses on leveraging browser vulnerabilities to assess the security posture of a target. This project is developed solely for lawful research and penetration testing. BeEF hooks one or more web browsers as a beachheads for the launching of directed command modules. Each browser is likely to be within a different security context, and each context may provide a set of unique attack vectors. The framework allows penetration tester to select specific modules to target each browser, and therefore each context. The framework contains numerous command modules that employ BeEF's simple and powerful API. This API is at the heart of framework's effectiveness and efficiency. It abstracts complexity and facilitates quick development of custom modules. Now we'll learn how to use BeEF XSS framework. Let's open up Linux. Now I will click on BeEF framework icon. Here you can see that BeEF framework opened in terminal and XSS code for exploiting. And XSS code for exploiting, that is script src equals to http localhost, that is 127.0.1 3000 hook.js, and the end of script. Now BeEF framework is opened in browser. Type username and password as BeEF. Here I deleted old exploit history. Now open bbox and open terminal. Type ifconfig. Let's copy the IP address. Now open bbox in Linux. Log into the BeEF. Now select the drop-down option as XSS reflected. Now let's check for XSS vulnerabilities. I will type first name as Amit Hudar and last name as XSS JavaScript, that is script alert XSS end of script tag, and click on go. Here you can see that XSS pop-up message is open displayed. Now let's find the Linux IP address. Open new terminal and type ifconfig. IP address is 192.168 and so. Let's copy it inside this script tag, that is script src http 127.0.1 3000 hook.js, that is BeEF exploit.js code. Inside that, instead of localhost, add that 192.168 and so. So for that, now let's open up BeEF. I'll type first name as Amit Hudar, last name as script src equals to 192.168, that is instead of localhost. After that 3000 hook.js script, and click on go. Here we get welcome Amit Hudar. In source code our XSS code is reflected. Now open BeEF framework and refresh it. Here you can see that online browser, that is 192.168.154.130 IP address. Click on the IP address. Here we see exploit browser history. The current browser is Mozilla Firefox, English US, browser platform Linux, plugins, Windows size, browser components, that is Flash is no VBScript, just WebSockets is S, and WebRTC S, session cookie S, persistent cookie S, rest of them are no. And in category hooked page, page title BeEF XSS, page URL, page referrer, host name, and cookie. Further option in current browser we saw all the details. Let's go to logs. You can see the logs of browser, commands, lots of commands to use when it is hooked, rider, access arrays, IPEC, network, that is in what network, This is how it should be, that is localhost, hooked browser, the firewall for internet, and here is the BeEF. The host is localhost. Lots of options you have inside BeEF. So that's all about BeEF XSS exploit tool. I have not just explained the tool, I have demonstrated how XSS vulnerable page can be hooked to the BeEF to exploit further. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.